One of the questions I get a lot from my beginner triathletes is my bike a road bike or is it a fat tire bike? And they ask this because when they go to sign up for their first super sprint, usually the races make them pick. So today we're going to go over what constitutes as a road bike and what constitutes as a fat tire bike. So it's pretty simple. If your tire looks like this, which is really fat, it's more than likely a fat tire. But where the confusion comes in is here's a road bike tire. It's really skinny. But if you have a hybrid, you're going, oh, well, you know, my tire's not as fat as this fat tire, but it's not as skinny as this skinny tire road bike. So how do I denote the difference? Well, it all comes down to the handlebars. Do your handlebars look like these? If they do, then you have a road bike. If they don't, guess what? Put yourself in fat tire. And that's it. That's the difference between a fat tire and a road bike.